Ito ang mga documents na kailangan mo i-prepare kung nagbabalak kang bumili ng property mo. Number 1 are your valid IDs. You should submit any government IDs such as passports or driver's license. Number 2, you need to submit your tax identification number. This is for your tax filing purposes. Number 3 is your proof of income, such as your latest payslips or your bank statements, especially if nagbabalak kang ipasok ito sa financing. Pang-apat is marriage contract. This is applicable for married individuals. Kung nasa abroad ka, kailangan mo mag-submit ng SPA or Special Power of Attorney wherein doon mo dinidelegate kung sino ang magiging local attorney-in-fact mo or local representative mo. So kung meron ka pang mga katanungan or clarification, send me a message. I'll be more than happy to assist you.